Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the proximity sensor isn't blocked. This is the main cause of the screen going dark. Gently clean the top bezel and remove any thick case or screen protector that overlaps the sensor. Once done, restart the phone to clear temporary glitches and place a quick test call. Make sure you use normal hold position near the ear so the sensor detects presence. If the screen still stays off, you've eliminated the simple physical and software restart issues and can move to deeper checks. Now focus on software factors. Power saving or adaptive display modes can force the screen off during calls, so turn them off temporarily and retest. Next, open call or dialer settings and verify any proximity sensor toggles or in-call screen timeout values. Adjust them to standard behavior. Update the phone's operating system and the dialer app to eliminate known bugs. Once updates complete, reboot and run another call test. If the issue persists, you've narrowed it away from simple settings and should test hardware diagnostics. Finish with hardware diagnostics. Use the phone's built-in test menu or a trusted sensor test app to verify proximity sensor readings while simulating a call. If the sensor reports incorrectly, the front sensor or display assembly may need repair or replacement. Before sending it in, boot into safe mode and place a test call to rule out third-party apps interfering with sensor behavior. If safe mode fixes it, uninstall recent apps. Otherwise, arrange professional repair. That single troubleshooting step often tells you whether it's software or hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.